And okay friends, and today what we are going to do is we are going to check which is the best graphics card using in Colab using this NVIDIA SMI. So we have got Tesla K80 over here. So I am going to test this code on this super resolution image. This is my grandmother, and you just click it, okay, and grandma never lies, okay. As that you can see that it is a very small image. It is taking about 1 second to just compute it, okay, 1 second to compute it. It's now 2 seconds, okay, in Tesla K80, okay. So I just ran this benchmarking a lot of time, okay. It is just showing the 1 second. It may, these are the both are the same code on the same graphics card, but the problem is that it is again and again 0.9 or 1 second, okay. Again it is 1 second, 2 seconds now, it is 2 seconds, 1.4 seconds. So in Tesla K80 you should know that Tesla K80 memory PCIe 100 is the most powerful graphics card on the Colab. It's said to be. We have to also check it. So you take the Tesla K80 CUDA course now, it is about 4,992, but you take the memory now, but this is misleading in Google. The myth is that this is not the type of memory card which is available on the Colab, okay. So Tesla K80 memory is limited, but in here they show that it is about 624 GB, okay, but in here you can see that it is just 11.4 GB. But when I just check the same code with this kind of Tesla T4, what just happened is that for my grandma's image, I told you always my grandma never lies, and she's a very good woman, pretty woman. And you see that in Tesla T4 it is just fast. You can see here in Tesla T4 we are testing it, the same image, and it is really very fast, 0.3, okay, 0.2, okay. It just keeps on doing that, okay. You can just make a chart out of it, okay. The running time of this code on this GPU is really fast, okay. But in Tesla K80, as I do that, it is nearly 1 second. I have also tried a very big thing. So let's try a very big one. So let's take an PNG image, okay. Where is it? Okay. So here, so this is about 1 MB, okay. So now we are going to just check it, okay, how much time it is taking. And as you can see, it is 1.1 MB. So we will copy the path and just paste it. This is ESR GAN, which is an almost so this is only based on the inference timing. We have not tested the the training timing, so we will just be testing with everything, okay. So let's start. So image path is given, okay. So we have to confirm the image path, and that's all. And this model should be squeezed, and yes, save the model path, okay, because it is already downloaded. We should not do it again. Oh, I have just clicked it. So let's see how much time it is taking. This doesn't depend on that. So this is PNG, right? This shows JPEG now, not JPEG, okay. The original image is this, so it's not JPEG, it is PNG. So we should give this. So what does it show is original image, okay. Image path is given correctly. So let's do it again. So right, so again, okay, it's anyhow doing that compression doing JPEG, I think so, okay. So it is not going below 1 second, okay, or else I will just take another image and show you, because these are both the same images in different format, okay. Let's take another PNG image which is very high resolution. So for example, let me take my mother-in-law, okay. I have pasted the path, just activate everything, say Dadangs, because you have to say Dadangs two times, because Google has provided you a free GPU, okay, and she's there. So no need to just download it again. and let's see. So it has, anything has to be, so it is taking 4 seconds now. Okay, you just take it again. 0.3. So it is so random. 0.3. Okay, now what was this? This is Tesla K80. Okay, Tesla K80. So it is unpredictable. Okay, the running time is unpredictable. Okay, it is just converging. I think the resolution should be very low now I think so. Okay, let me see the memory. It is just too low, that's why it is taking a very low time. So we need to have a very high memory thing. Okay, so let's see, go for this. So see we can go with this. Okay, the PNG image. Let's see the properties. It should be at least 2 MB. This is just 148 KB, I'm sorry. Okay, a very good resoluted image. Maybe this one with lots of details. This is 764 KB. I need a 2 MB one. This is 389. So wait, I'll get a 2 MB. Go for an high resolution images. Okay, HIGHI resolution. Okay, resolution PNG image DOWN LOAD. Okay, high resolution PNG image download. So let's go for a PNG tree, and we have to download the very high resolution. Okay, this will be very high resolution. Oh, no, not like this. Okay, so these are very high resoluted. So let's take a colorful one. Okay, not this one. Okay, this is 3007 cross 3 something. So let's go here. So let's download. It is going to ask money, I think so. I don't have any money now, so let's free download it. Okay, I'm going to give my, I have just made a screenshot out of that because I could not get the high resolution one. So I'm going to check the high resolution. So this is just 789 KB. So still we don't have a chance getting a very high resolution images. So we can go for some high resolution actress deepfake. Let's go for a deepfake. No, deepfake. Okay, deepfake, and because we should not use any other thing. So deepfake, this person does not exist. This PERSONDOES does not EXIST. Okay, and this is a very high resolution image. She is very high resoluted. So let's take something like this. Okay, or this girl. She's a very beautiful girl, but this girl does not exist. It will be good if she existed. Okay, so not that. Okay, let's go. So let's make a very high resolution image and benchmark our code and our graphic card. Okay, let's go here. Beauty, BEAUTY, beauty. Right, now you just go here and just upload it, and beauty should be there. Okay, let's see her memory, because I have just screenshotted it. It should be high. Okay, 1.19 memory, that's great. Okay, we have a 1.19 memory thing. So I have just, this is Tesla K80. Okay, this is Tesla K80. So you have a variation. CUDA cores is higher in that and lower in the memory, and the other graphic card is higher in memory and lower in CUDA cores. So we are going to benchmark it. So we are taking this beauty.png, copying the path and just pasting here. Okay, paste it. Click this, say thanks. Okay, so it has to be squeezed, so no need to re-download it. So let's see in Tesla K80. This is Tesla K80, as you can see. So in Tesla K80, how much? Because both are the same code. See, it is taking a lot of time. It took 11 seconds in Tesla K80, so just redo it again. 2 seconds now. Okay, then just redo it again. So this is Tesla K80. Okay, this is Tesla K80. Again 2 seconds. Again you have a 2 second. Again you just re-click it. Okay. So it is taking 2 seconds again. So again it is taking 2 seconds. So this is, dear friends, our Tesla K80. Okay, Tesla K80 is high in CUDA cores count, as you see in the Google, but I don't know the real thing what they have it in Colab. So it is taking 2 seconds again. So I think for the same code it is taking a lot of time. Okay, Tesla K80. So these are the truth. Okay, Tesla K80, Colab Tesla K80 is not that fast. Okay, in inferencing. So this could be also applied to Tesla T4 also. Okay. Again, no, 2 seconds is not converging. Okay, it's not going below that. 3 seconds now. Okay, it is not going below that. 2 seconds now. 2 seconds now. So let's take this to let's copy the beauty path, and this is Tesla T4, my dear friends. As it is shown over here, this is 15 GB, but we have tested it on Tesla K80 which showed 11 GB. So we are going to test it on Tesla T4. As you can see, this is Tesla T4 with 15 GB, but the CUDA cores are very, very limited. So we are going to test this code. Okay, it will take only 15 minutes to test this code. Okay, so let's check it. Okay, image path, all those things, no need to read down the thing. So let's check it with Tesla. This is Tesla T4 with higher memory, lower CUDA cores. Okay, so it is taking only 6 seconds at first time. So let's do it again. 0.6 seconds. As you can see, it is taking 2 seconds in Tesla K80. Okay, so we can conclude that Tesla T4 is greater than Tesla K80. Okay, Tesla K80, which is bigger. Okay, the truth is inside. Okay, the truth is inside. So Tesla T4 wins. So let's have another check also. Okay, let's reiterate the code again. Okay, with this girl, the deepfake girl. 0.6 again in Tesla T4. Tesla T4 is winning the match. Okay, this 0.5 now. 0.5. 0.5 again, 0.5 again, 0.5. No matter how much you click it, it's 0.5. So this is Tesla T4, my dear friends. Then let's go for Tesla K80. This is very slow because I have to tell you the benchmark correctly. Okay, I'm just checking it, and if the same code is being run. Okay, as you can see, the time taken is Tesla 2 point something. Again, in Tesla K80 is just 2.2 or nearly 3 seconds or 2 seconds. Okay, Tesla K80 is losing. Okay, in inferencing and thing. So for some projects you can just handle with that. So it is better to go with Tesla T4 in Colab. Okay, in India. Okay, we just have a free version. We can go with that. Okay, this is the final benchmark, my dear friends. So you hope you understand which is the best Tesla. In here it is Tesla K80 with just 11 GB graphic card. It is showing a very low thing. Okay, and as you can see in Tesla T4 it is showing very, very lower than that. Okay, it is just 0.6, but in Tesla K80 it is 2 seconds. It is 2 seconds, but in Tesla T4 it is just 0.6 seconds. So it is better to go with Tesla T4. And there are also another cards like 3090 and all those things are monster. They are said to be, but we have to also benchmark them also because they are not available on a Colab. We could not do that. 3090 and 3080 which are going to come, we can't benchmark the 30 series. Okay, so thank you. I hope you like this. This is the visual proof what I have. Thank you. This code is nothing but image enhancing. This is a neural enhancer. You can just check it out. Okay, thank you friends. Bye.